So this is how you can type on a downloaded PDF on your MacBook. Let's get started. So if you have a PDF on your Finder, you can easily just select it and click on the space bar on your keyboard to make the preview show up. And when you do so, there is going to be an edit button above it on the panel, which you can use to make more editing tools appear, which can be used very quickly directly inside of this like preview mode. But there is one button for the text, and if you click on it, you can see that a text field appears, which you can use to add and customize your text. Like you can move it around and add it, and it might work fine, to be honest. Like it is kind of a simple approach because you don't have that many tools to edit, but you can easily just, add a text, move it around and resize it, and perhaps you'll be happy with this. You can save it by clicking the done button, and you have successfully added text on your PDF. But as you can probably guess, this is not the best approach and not the best solution to it. I would honestly recommend you to get a dedicated app for it. So there is a PDF editor you can download from the internet, multiple of them actually, and I like to use Adobe Acrobat. And using this software, I have the ability to import my PDF and then actually perform edits on that file, right? So I can just go directly into the text which already exists in there, and I can like delete it or add my own text in the same font and continue with it as it is like ready for me, right? So it is much like in a depth. There are more features, and of course you have to learn it a little bit, but it is much better. So these are the two ways how you can edit and add text on your downloaded PDF, how you can type on it. So that's it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more tutorials so you never miss them in the future.